Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.
Welcome back, folks. I'm just moored up just there, just on the edge of Nantwich, and I'm just about to have a walk into town just to see what it has to offer. But it's a lovely day at the moment, but it has been raining on and off, so I've been trying to paint my windows, but every time I get my tape out, my paintbrush, it starts raining. Anyway, I'm just going to have a look in Nantwich now, see what it's like. I think it's quite a nice place. Let's have a look. So I've just come back from my little late morning run and I found this on my roof, look. A couple of beers. Ah, so nice. And a little note. Thank you so much, Gordon and Andrea. That's lovely. Thank you, guys. I'm sorry I missed you. Ah, thank you. Look at the state of me, folks. Look, I'm in a right pickle. I'm just trying to get rid of stuff for when I go to the bins. Plus I'm changing all my clothes over from summer to winter, so getting some winter stuff out. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing at the minute. As you can see, I've got everything out from under my bed. I've been changing my shoes, my boots, all that sort of stuff. I've been putting my clothes in these storage bags that I got from IKEA. They're quite good, these. They're only about £2 each. Let me try to sort out my stuff down there. I don't know if you can see it because it's dark. But that's what I'm doing at the minute. It's a right mess, isn't it? But it needs to be done because winter's on its way. So I'm just going to move my boat because I'm about a mile from the services up there. That's a bit too far for me to go with my toilet and all my rubbish. So I'm staying in Nantwich. I'm just going to cruise up towards the servicing point, so a little bit closer. It's a lovely sunny morning. Nice.
I walk these streets with tired eyes, heavy thoughts but steady strides. Not everything is where I stand, but I'm still moving step by step. Some days feel longer than they should. I do my best, I do what I could. Nothing's fixed, but that's okay. I'm still here at the end of day. I don't need to see it now. I trust the morning. Somehow the sun comes up, it always will. Through the quiet, through the still. The sun comes up, that's what I know. Even now, I let it glow. There were moments I felt small, like I might not rise at all. Every doubt spoke way too loud, but I never claim I figured out what this life is all about. But I know enough to say this won't last, this fades away. I don't rush, I don't pretend. I believe this bend's not ends. The sun comes up, it always will, through the quiet, through the still. The sun comes up, that's what I know. Even now, I let it glow. If I fall, I rise again. That's how every day begins. Every scar just shows me proof I've been strong enough to move. I don't need to run ahead, I just...
So this is Nantwich Marina. It's quite small, but it's quite nice. And there's a laundrette service, a nail beautician, I think it is, and a little cafe, but it's lovely. And you can also get your diesel, get your toilet done and all that sort of stuff, and get gas. We need gas. So I just got a new fender because I lost my last one in the lock, so I needed a new one. Happy days. Just stopped my morning mocha. So I've just sprayed up another window. I've got another one to do this side and two on the other side, I think, or one, I can't remember now. So that's another one done. But I don't know whether to do my portholes or not. I do like the brass, but it's very mucky looking, isn't it? And I don't know if the paint will stick to it, but I might give it a go. Yeah, I can't even tell you how long it's taken me to take that off. I hope it works now. I put these little screw covers over the bolts because I don't want them spraying. And I've done the back one and my porthole. So that's my window done. Quite pleased with that, really. Happy days. And I've just put some new draft excluders around my duck snatch. Ready for winter, guys. And now I'm in the process of painting this front bit here. I just thought I want to change it a little bit. So I don't know what I'm doing yet, I'm just going to have a go at it. Tell you what, guys, it's been a hot old day on the boat today. It's been like 29 degrees out there. Even Ahmed's struggling. Been struggling, haven't you, Ahmed? Okay, let me just quickly show you where I'm up to with my painting outside. Okay, so I've painted my tunnel bars, although I'm not sure of the white. Finished my porthole. Finished all three windows along my boat, this side. And I've done this little design on the front, although I'm not finished yet. I might put some more triangles in, some smaller ones, different colours, but I don't know yet. I've also painted my wood in grey. Not sure about that. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I might even put some diamonds on there as well. I don't know yet. We'll see. And that's all the painting I've done outside at the minute. I've still got to do the other side though. I can't reach you from this side. What a lovely day, guys. I've just been for my little morning run, and it's time for a nice healthy protein brekkie. Yes. So I've got all these pans and I don't even use them. They might have to go. I only use my little frying pan. It's the only one I use. Waste some money, that, guys. So folks, I'm Nantwiched out. I've had enough of Nantwich. I need to move on. It's a little bit late in the day now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but I've decided I'm going to make a move just further up the canal and see if I can get onto the Middlewich canal. Yeah, so I'm going to move on. I've just bumped into a lovely couple, a couple of YouTubers, Sam and Chris, and their little dog Roland. And their YouTube channel actually is Narrowboat and Away, and if you don't watch them you should. They're quite a reasonably new channel, nice couple to watch. So yeah, if you don't follow them, then it's worth a look. Really nice people. Anyway guys, I'm about to make my move up the cut. Yes, back of the net. Also, I'll be getting some hot water when I'm cruising. I've got to catch up on some washing. Proper full sink load, guys. Ooh, you. Love this little boat. Gwill, my surname. If you watch my channel Gwill, let me know why you've called that your boat Gwill. Love it.
stars is fading out. I turn the chaos inside out. The sun is hitting on the floor in a way it never did before. I'm unwinding like a spool of thread, pulling the noise out of my head. And I'm floating in a slow motion high, watching the heavy clouds roll by. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be, just a paper boat upon the sea. Yeah, the world is spinning way too fast, but I made this little moment last. I'm floating in a slow motion high, right here beneath the paper sky. The dust is dancing in the beam. It looks just like a laser stream. My coffee cup is warm and still. I'm sitting on the windowsill. I feel the gravity let go. I'm moving soft, I'm moving slow. The past is just a memory, and the future hasn't talked to me. And now I'm floating in a slow motion.
So it's New Canal Day, folks. I'm just about to turn right onto the Shropshire Union Middlewich branch. Yes.
Clouds roll by. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be, just a paper boat upon the sea. Yeah, the world is spinning way too fast, but I made this little moment last. I'm floating in a slow motion high, right here beneath the paper sky. Don't wake me up, don't shake the ground.
So just moored up just after Bridge 4, and it's my first mooring on the Middlewich branch. And what a lovely mooring, guys. Just beautiful. It does look like rain. It's a proper nasty old day today, folks. It hasn't stopped raining all morning. We need it though, don't we, guys? We need it. Anyway, that's the end of this vlog, folks, unfortunately. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the hype button. It all helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd like to thank my coffee buyers. Yes, Bev. Thank you, Bev, for my coffee. Steve King, thank you, Steve. Louise and Bazza on the Duchesses. Cheers, guys. And Stevie R. Thanks very much, guys. Really appreciate my coffees. If you do want to buy me one, that's in the description below in the link. Yeah, so cheers, guys. Congratulations, a couple of my friends, Angie and Paul, who've just purchased their first narrowboat to live on full time. Yes, happy days, starting a life on the cut. But before I go, a military friend of mine has lost his fight with cancer, Marcus Humphreys. So my thoughts go out to him and his family. Rest in peace, brother. See you on next week's episode, guys. Bye bye.
Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.